Interpolation with unequal intervals. Lagrange's formula. Lagrange's interpolation formula. If x0, x1, x2, x3 up to the xn are the values of x and y0, y1, y2 up to the yn are the values of y is equal to f of x, then we have to find the value of y corresponding to x. Now for this you can see the formula for the Lagrange's interpolation. So f of x is equal to, first you can draw one horizontal line into y0, make the addition here, again you can draw one horizontal line into y1, addition, then you have to draw one horizontal line into y2. Now how to write the formula? So first you can write here x divided by x0, so first term, then second term it is x divided by x1, and third term it is x divided by x2, and so on. You can see this is the first term, it is x0, then here it is x1, and here it is x2. So increment of suffix it is 1. So x0, then x1, then x2. Now see how we can write the formula. Now this x0 do not take into the numerator for the difference. So first difference it is x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3 divided by x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, x0 minus x3 into y0. In the denominator also do not make the difference of x0 minus x0. So this x0 do not take in the numerator for the difference, as well as do not make difference of this term in the denominator with same term. So it is x0 minus x0 plus second term it is x minus x0 into x minus x2 divided by x1 minus x0 into x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3 into y1. Now you can see this. So it is x divided by x1. So this x1 do not take into the numerator for the difference. So x minus x0, this is the first term. Second term it is x minus x2, do not take here x1, divided by x1 minus x0 into x1 minus x2 into x1 minus x3 into y1. Now third term it is x divided by x2. So this x2 do not take into numerator. So x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x3 divided by x2 minus x0, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x3. In the denominator also do not make difference of x2 minus x2 into y2. So again I will explain. So it is x divided by x0, then x divided by x1, then x divided by x2. This x it is fixed, and this x0 suffix goes on increasing. So it is x0, x1 and x2. So while making the difference in the numerator, do not take this x0 in the numerator, as well as do not make difference with x0 minus x0 in the denominator. So this is the formula for the Lagrange's interpolation. Now we'll see one example. So using Lagrange's interpolation formula, find y of 10 from the following data. So x and y, values of x and y it is given, x 5, 6, 9 and 11. So values of y it is 12, 13, 14 and 16. Now this is the unequal intervals. Now what is the meaning of unequal intervals? So difference of 5, 6 and 5 it is 1, 9 and 6 it is a 3, 11 and 9 again it is a 3. So difference it is 1, here it is 3 and here it is 3. So these numbers are not equal. So these are the unequal intervals. Now next step, we have to give here numberings. So this is x0, x1, x2 and x3. Below this is the y0, y1, y2 and y3. Now here it is, variables are from x0 to the x3, and here it is y0 to the y3. So we have to write the formula up to the y3. Now again I will explain how to write the formula. So f of x is equal to y is equal to, so first you can draw the horizontal line into y0. So it is x divided by x0, make the addition, then make a horizontal line, x divided by x1 into y1 plus x divided by x2 into y2 plus x divided by x3 into y3. Now how can I write all these terms? So x, here it is x0, so this x0 do not take into the numerator for the difference. So x minus x1 into x minus x2 into x minus x3 divided by x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, x0 minus x3. So in the denominator also do not make the difference of x0 minus x0. Second term, this one it is x1, so x1 do not take into the numerator, so x minus x0, x minus x2, x minus x3 divided by x1 minus x0 into x1 minus x2 into x1 minus x3 multiplication with y1. Third term, so x minus x0, then x minus x1, then x minus x3. Here it is x2, so in the numerator do not take x2. x2 minus x0, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x3 into y3. Last one, x minus x0, here it is x3, so this x3 do not take into the numerator, so x minus x0, x minus x1 into x minus x2 divided by x3 minus x0 into x3 minus x1 into x3 minus x2 into y3. Now we have to find f of 10. We have to find f of 10 means f of x is equal to, you can write here y. So we have to find the value of y when x is equal to 10. Here it is 9, here it may be 10 here. So we have to find the value of y when x is equal to 10. Now all the values are known. So all the values are known. See here, all the values are known. Value of x, it is a 10. So simply all these values you can put in this equation and find the value of f of 10. It is a 14.66. Thank you for watching the video.